Hello everyone. Today in this video session we are going to learn about the importance of AutoCAD and SolidWorks for designing and drawing in mechanical engineering. Importance of AutoCAD. It improves productivity and helps the users to visualize their final results. These softwares enables users to create documentation for their design. It gives accurate results and is easy to use. These softwares are used for various designing purposes, but the best example of its application is seen in Team VCT Solidthon. Team VCT Solidthon is the very first solar electric vehicle team of Vidyavardhini's College of Engineering and Technology. Formed on September 2017, the team has been using the same software to design and build its solar electric vehicle. From designing to deciding the material of car, the accurate results obtained helps Team Solidthon to build a better car every time. User-friendly softwares like AutoCAD and SolidWorks helps in designing from basic machinery part to complicated models. Team VCT Solidthon stood All India first rank in National Solar Vehicle Challenge of 2020. Following are the achievements of Team VCT Solidthon. SolidWorks and AutoCAD software are well suited when it comes to design the chassis or basic structure body of any car. Using SolidWorks helps you to focus on the process at hand without stressing you if you're new to drafting in general. Given is the chassis of a car designed by Team VCT Solidthon using SolidWorks software. To suit all types of design, these softwares helps to stimulate physical behavior such as kinematics, dynamics, stress, deflection, etc. For automotive, tools and general mechanical products, we can convert 2D drawing to SolidWorks in a format for building 3D CAD models. SolidWorks helps users to learn at their own pace, keeps your space clean and allows you to customize what you see while you are working. At last, learning these software skills gives you a clear advantage in industrial design and engineering field. Thank you.